Patients often ask me if TRT can improve their ED, and if so, how long can they expect that improvement to continue? My hypothesis, based on long term research, is that it can have immediate effects through direct effects on the sexual response system, but also long term effects that improve over time based on its effects through metabolic syndrome, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. There are now two long term studies that tend to confirm those views. The first is based on a 30-week randomized controlled trial that then had additional observational follow up out to 4 years. In fact, it demonstrated that those on TRT had continued improvement in erectile function, while those who stopped treatment during the ongoing phase lost improvement. The second study is an 11-year study and showed that those on TRT had additional improvement every single year of the study until the end of the study, while those not on treatment, in fact, experienced progressive loss of function. These are exciting results, and hopefully long-term randomized trials will confirm these initial results.